Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm going to talk about reading subtext, and this video is for beginner who are going to give OET and wanna gain some knowledge about what is the pattern of reading subtest. As I am going to give OET exam also, so you can start preparation with me. So let's start reading. Oh, reading description of reading part. So in the scenario in reading part, you have three parts: reading part A, B, and C. In reading part A, you have four paragraphs, or you can say text, four text. Text A, like in this test, text A, B, C, and D, right? And there are 20 questions for reading part A. And what about time? You have 15 minutes to complete these 20 questions. Yeah, 20 blanks are 20 questions, right? So in text, let's talk about text. There are different description in each text, right? For example, if in this text A there are sign and symptoms, if they talk about sign and symptoms, in text B they will talk about anything else like investigation, or in text C they couldn't talk about treatment, and in text 4 follow-up or anything else. So they have different things. And in 20 questions, they have 20 questions. So for example, here it is for first seven questions. In first 7 questions, you are going to choose in which paragraph they get information. Like in this case, for example, you can read the first line. First MCQs are fill the blank, right? Regarding necessary consideration when assessing a child's plan level. So you just choose whether it's from A, B, C, D, right? The method used to measure pain. So simply in this video, I'm just going to go through it. In the next video, I will fill the whole test, and so you can learn from it. And in the next this paper I stapled wrongly. It is with this page. So in the other question, you can see from 8 to 13, and then 14 to 20. So in here you're going to put same statement from the text, right? What is the maximum age for behavioral assessment of pain in an intellectual disabled patient? You just need to put same text from the text, from same words from the text. So right here, and the same with the other MCQs. And now we are going to talk about reading part B. In reading part B, you are around 6 questions, and you read paragraph, and accordingly you choose the answer, right? You have one paragraph or two, and have one question, and then next you have another paragraph and another question. And in the reading part C, you have whole text. It is, I think it is old paper. I am sorry, I carry wrong paper, so here I will show you how it comes. So reading part C, what things come is yeah, there are two texts. There are long texts, like there are different paragraphs, like 5 or 6 paragraphs. You can see here reading part C, and you have in reading part C you have two texts in first text, and after that you have 8 MCQs, and accordingly you will put the answer here. You read the paragraph 1, then you ask the first question, and accordingly when you go through all accordingly reading these paragraphs and choose the answer. Reading part C is a bit difficult for me also, as and I think we need to practice more, learn the thing in a better way. And the reading part C is also in the same way, like reading like text number 1, text 2 is the same, going to the same pattern, having 8 MCQs, and you are following the procedure as far as I see, right? So a little bit information, I just put some information. So with the passage of time, I learned things, and you will also you can also help me regarding this, how to achieve maximum. And I'm also struggling with English, so hope for the good that I will achieve my goals. You will also, so just try your hard, because English is not our native language. So so it, so it takes time to improve. Take care. Allah Hafiz.